mad Jamal be giving all this stuff away.
Yeah, that's the game now though. It's like people don't want to buy music anymore.
Alright, man. I'm just saying all these. You know how many mistakes
Coming, then I accuse in the summer. No wonder I dumb it down. No, that was my cue to cumber. My hunger will devour all your melancholy flower, melancholy black flowers. When I rap, I black out and you're just one voice solo. You need to rap louder, rhyming so peace about it. But they say I'm freestyling. Now I think I lost my balance. Need some new balance. Need some new balance. That's a pair of shoes I never knew. Falling with 2 guns. Now that's what I call a parachute. And I bought a parachute, holes in it, sorta used. Man, I should've ordered 2. Next time I'll just order new. Staring through my pencil, now I'm about to change my point of view. Cartoon whistle, when I touch down, we kick it. I'm a Leo and I'm freaky. First I lick it, then I stick it. There's a box around my dick. All of that to say I'm gifted. And my dick can take you places. I advise you lick my ticket. Ain't gon' suck it, then just lick it. Bitches, I'm not good at relationships. All I know is divorces. Yeah. That was Off the Hook. So, for this joint was called Brandon Sway. Brandon's my beat maker. We are in high demand. Got their own website, selling beats and all that stuff. It was me and another guy, we were working on the beats and stuff. And we had the plan to get our own studio. And like things just fell through. And so then my cousin brought me down here to meet Brandon. We linked up and we just been working together ever since. So that's what the song is about. Like a foreign tourist on Lampton, lunch or whatever you call it. Nothing to rap, can't make a song here. No money, nothing to eat, I don't belong here. Watch the clock on the wall as the time moves on. The second hand sprint says the hour hand calls. CB, Dot, and Eve as they're walking through the hall. If you got less than a dime, and you and his rhyme is who I'm talking about. If you ain't pitching, you ain't piffing, you can get up out. My niggas smoke that sour, no, I'm not talking about kraut. All the way turned up, all I know is loud. Jimmy in this purple haze, got me in a purple daze, got me looking in the sky. That's my purple gaze. Willie Walker Blueberry, I think I got a purple face. Half a hours, half a days. Hey. Teletubby, purple Dutchie, ain't got money, who got munchies? See that chick? Yellow scrunchy, slightly ugly, wanna fuck me. Cheeks are puffy after puffing. Please don't touch me, feeling lovely. I'm feeling lovely. I'm going all around the world with this one, going all around the world with this one, going all around the world with this one, going all around the world with this one. I know, they like it when I do that. Do a show, get the dough when I flow, let them know, let you know, okay, I do that. I'm going all around the world with this one, going all around the world with this one. You ain't feeling me, cause I know a couple niggas that'll kill for me. Drop you off right near the creek, so I don't care what you bitches speak. Fuck the world till I RIP. I'm a real nigga, that's all I'm be. My niggas, my money, that's all I need. My niggas, my money, that's all I need. Fuck you if you ain't feeling me, cause I know a couple niggas that'll kill for me. Drop you off right near the creek, so I don't care what you bitches speak. Fuck the world till I RIP. I'm a real nigga, that's all I be. My niggas, my money, that's all I need. My niggas, my money, that's all I need. Alright. I'm relentlessly, lyrically gifted, so you don't wanna bother. No, you don't wanna bother. My attitude's a motherfucker like Obama's father. Clock the dollars for my niggas, talk that shit and then go hit ya. Roll up quick and mango switches, bitch you get the picture, I ride for the crew. Don't mind me, I just do what I do. Raised by animals, born in the zoo. Hey, fuck around and get shot down. My name buzzing, I'm hot now. Women all on my cock now. She suck dick and swallow cum. Need that bitch, I don't need that bitch. Money I get.